agility. It's not just about speed, it's about vision. Seeing possibilities where others see obstacles. It's about experience, knowing exactly when to pivot. So what did we learn, you ask? Mindsprint, born out of the $40 billion Olam Group, was spun off to operate with speed and autonomy. We're built on 20+ years of deep domain expertise in agri-food, retail, and global supply chains. We now bring that tech DNA to the market with fit-for-purpose solutions. We mastered the skills, adopted AI at scale to drive transformation, and built deep horizontal expertise in digital and intelligent platforms, intelligent enterprise operations, in AI-powered infrastructure and cybersecurity services. At the core of our innovation engine is Future Forward Labs, our launchpad for a suite of IP-driven AI solutions and accelerators. It enables rapid prototyping, drives new product development, and streamlines delivery with reusable digital assets. So, what defines us, you ask? People-powered, ownership-led, and impact-driven, together, values that make us unstoppable. Our agility translates into real-world business impact. We've revolutionized food and agri with intelligent automation, helped retailers redefine customer experiences, empowered healthcare providers with smarter, faster insights, and optimized manufacturing facilities with AI-powered efficiency, turning roadblocks into launch pads. Now AI is reshaping industries. As a strategic partner, Mindsprint guides businesses to become AI-enabled enterprises. With AI-powered delivery excellence, dedicated AI labs, a strategic AI council, and a growing AI marketplace, we help clients navigate complexity and scale with confidence. Our experience, global presence, and innovation drive meaningful impact, and the world is taking notice. We are Mindsprint, built on the expertise of an enterprise, powered by the agility of a startup, and driven by the belief. The difference starts here.